This problem asks us if an instrumentation amplifier has a connection between the resistors in the first stage and ground. So it's going to look something like this. We have our resistors, first stage and ground. Then it will suffer from which of the following disadvantages. So the first, we have the two amplifiers in the first stage will have the same gain. This is not necessarily true of it being a disadvantage, so this is going to be false. We have varying the gain of the first stage will require changing the value of the resistor. Well, we could vary the gain in different ways as well, so that's not required. So if we were to mark out the reasons why it's not true, it's the requirement part right here, and then the same gain here. Next, we have the two signal paths in the first stage will be very symmetric. This is not necessarily true. And so the last one that we have is C. In the first stage, the common mode gain is going to be just as large as the differential gain. And when we look at these, we know the differential gain is the VIDM, and the common mode gain is the VICM. And so our VICM is in the notes right here, where it tells us that they are going to have very similar for the first stage. And so the first stage common mode gain will be just as large as our differential gain.